Bayport Yachts. We're located in Newport Beach, California. Been here almost 30 years. And today I'm going to walk you through our outdoor showroom. It's almost July 4th, 2015. I've been here for 27 years. This is J.R. Means. I've got to tell you, we have a lot of inventory to choose from. Brand new Prestige 550 flies, 42 flies, Chaparral 330 signatures. This is a 2013 25 launch. Came down from Northern California. She looks brand new. 2007 28 Corsair full heritage package. As you can see, we're already busy on this Monday morning. There's the 450 Prestige fly, the 420 Prestige fly, the back of the 330 signature. And here is the rest of our acre and a quarter of boats. 20-foot Chris Craft Speedster, 26 Chris Craft Sundancer, Sea Ray Sundancer, brand new 310 Chaparral signature. That is a 2012 28 Corsair full heritage. Got a classic Chris Craft here, all wood. 35 Chaparral, 27 Chaparral, 32 Sea Ray. Got another 28 Chris Craft tucked there in the back, and a 36 Cobalt, beautiful boat. 31 Chaparral, 32 Chaparral with a hardtop. This is a 2008 25 launch bow rider. Got a 33 Trojan back there. 42 Sea Ray Sundancer. You really don't have to catalog shop or online shop here at Bayport Yachts. We have inventory you can walk through all in one location. Carver 444 cockpit motor yacht, and a 2009 46 Carver motor yacht that came over from Lake Powell. Freshwater boat. It's been in great shape. So come take a look. Again, this is J.R. Means with Bayport Yachts signing off. 949-631-0228. We look forward to helping you fulfill the boater's two happiest days, Saturday and Sunday.